Now, I stopped buying in a laundry detergent good couple of years ago now, mainly because Martin has got quite a sensitive skin and he gets these eczema flare-ups, and no matter whether it's washing powder, washing liquid, whatever it is, whatever detergent, it just aggravates his skin. So I started making my own, and I make it using conkers. I have done a video before showing the conkers. I harvest them when they all start falling off the tree, of course. Chop them up and then leave them to dry, and I just store them in my big jar here. Now there's two ways I use them. Sometimes I fill one of these little disposable tea bags and I just fill it with conkers, and this will do about 5 washes, so that will just get thrown into the washing machine drum with a scoop of washing soda. Let me just get the lid off a minute. There we go. This is washing soda, not bicarb or anything. This is just washing soda, and I have a little scoop in there, and I add a scoop of that to the drawer. And then I also use white vinegar, and again I've got a little measure of white vinegar into where the softener would go, the fabric conditioner, and a few drops of lavender. And that is it. There's no vinegar smell, there's no conker smell. In fact, conkers actually smell quite earthy. So there's no sort of smell or nothing to it. Now another way I do it is to make up the liquid detergent. So whereas I'll stick about 100 grams of conkers into a jug, about 500 mils of boiling water. This is the first straining. As you can see, that will bubble up quite nicely. It's a sapling in the conkers that is that soapy effect and helps with the cleaning. And then it's strained into a bottle. The first one's always darker. And then I'll repeat the process with the same conkers. These are just the dried conkers. But again, 500 mils of water, and again, they've still got that sapling in them. That one was soaking overnight. This one will just be done for a couple of hours. Then this will be strained into that bottle. Yeah, so again, liquid detergent, which I add probably, I'm just sort of trying to think, let me see, that's 1/4 cup, probably about 1/2 cup of the liquid to my usual measure of washing soda and fabric conditioner. So this is what I've done now for several years, and we haven't gone out and bought any of your commercial brands of washing powder, and it gets everything nice and clean. There's never an issue. Everything feels nice and soft, and I do towels, bedding, our clothes, everything like this. So there we go. That's the laundry taken care of.